So it's early in the morning, sitting here in the dark, getting ready to head into work, and we have a early morning visitor. We have a fish tank reflection. Pretty little girl this morning. There's my three-legged cat trying to creep up on her, but oh, no she's not. She's ignored her. That's Hoppy. We don't know what happened to her, but her femur was broken 8 places and she had a infection. She almost died. And, $2,500 later, she's okay. And her name still fits, Hoppy. But anyway, here's this pretty little guy. Not girl. So pretty. Just trying to keep an eye out on the cats. She don't know about this one right here staring at her. What do you say, Ace? It's a pretty bird. No. Thanks for watching, guys. I need all the subscribers I can get, because if I start making some money off this thing, I can start making it available to everybody. So, please like, share, repost. Oh, it got closer. Hey, she got closer. Oops. No, pretty girl. He wants it bad. Thanks for watching, guys.